Alright, welcome back to Maths with Mr. Cheeky. Today, we will be learning about parabolas. Now, what is a parabola? Well, when you see something like this, you better think, oh, that's going to be a parabola. Do you know what this looks like? Y equals x squared? Let's work it out with a data table. So first, we're going to have our x values, we're going to have our y, okay, and then we're going to have our data set, which is our coordinate. Got it? So let's use up to 3, 3, and negative 3, okay? So going down, we have all the numbers there, 3 to negative 3. Alright, so simply what we're doing with this data table is subbing in this x value into the equation to find y. Alright, so we're going to put 3 squared because it's x squared, okay? So we're subbing x for 3 right there. 3 squared, what does that equal? 9. We put the 2 in, 2 squared, that equals 4. Okay, we're going to go through that all the way down, but before we go, we're going to just set up our coordinate here. So we're going to put our x value and our y value. So what's our x value here? Yeah, you're right. It says right in this column. These are all the x values, 3. And our y values are here because we're subbing in x to find the y value. So our y value is 9. Okay, for the next one, that's right, 2, 4. Okay, now let's keep going. 1, 1, 0 squared. Yeah, just 0. So what is 0, 0? What is that called on the Cartesian plane? Do you remember? Yeah, it's the origin. Good job. We're going to keep going with our data table here. Ooh, what do you think this one is? Negative 1 squared. Well, if we write it out, negative 1 times negative 1, two negatives times each other, they cancel out. So that equals a positive. So we got negative 1 and 1. Negative 2 squared, same thing. Two negatives times each other is a positive. So we get a 4. And negative 3 squared is 9. Okay, so we have our coordinates here. Do you see anything similar? Oh, well, yeah, we can notice that these y values are the same, these y values are the same, these y values are the same. The only thing that changes with the x value is that it's a negative. Well, let's see how it looks on the graph. Great effects right there. Alright, so let's plot y equals x squared. Alright, perfect. So if we look back above, we have 0, 0, so we know that that's the origin. First thing that I would look at. Okay. Next, let's start at the top. So we got 3 and 9. So of course, this is our Cartesian plane. So we have x across, y to the sky. So we have our dots already set up. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we know this is 3. We're going to go up 9 because that's our y value. Okay. X value, y value. So 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, right at the top here. That's 3, 9. Okay. Next one, 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay. 1 and 1. 0 and 0, we have that. Negative 1 and 1. And then 2 and 4. We can see that it's kind of mirroring. And negative 3 and 9. Now, after you've plotted all your points, what's left to do is connecting your dots with a nice curve. Okay? And we've got to realize that these lines keep going, so we're going to put arrows on the top there, and they're going to keep extending, okay, forever and ever. Alright, so as you can see, this is y equals x squared.